Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make beans and plantain. Beans jollof and plantain, fried plantain. It is yummy, very yummy recipe. And these beans, even if you are bloating after eating beans, I will tell you what to do. So I am going to use brown Nigerian beans. So you can use white beans or any type of beans that you have available in where you are living. So I am going to remove all the seeds, all the dirt I might accompany the beans. If you can't find any, then it's fine. But sometimes I find dirt on it, so I have to remove it. So what I do is to just wash it to remove the remaining dust and just add water to it and then just wash the beans. That's easy as ABC. Just wash it your normal washing. Put water and wash it. If you bloat when you are eating after eating beans, what you do is to just strain the water after the beans must have cooked after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the water because my camera went off, so I am just saying it ahead of time. So I add water, cook it. After 10 minutes, look at how it looked. I strained the water with sieve and then I'm cooking them back again. I will add water and then I'll add onion. And the next thing is to cover your pot. Please cover your pot and allow it to cook for some time. So after cooking for some time, when it's a little bit ready, still boiling, don't add water too much. I added my crayfish and thyme and curry. You can use turmeric to substitute to curry. Then add the stock cube powder. I am going to add oil to it and it's ready. After a few minutes, look at how it start looking and then you keep turning. Please cover your pot when you are not ready to turn. Just cover, it's ready. So I'm going to use um plantain, ripe plantain, to accompany these delicious beans. So I am going to remove the back, peel the back, and then cut them into slices. You can do your own in cube sizes, round sizes, the way you want it. So you can cut it in big sizes, smaller sizes. Then I'm going to add salt, a little bit of salt to turn them. At this stage, you choose not to add salt because you are going to accompany it with beans. So I added them in the oil to boil for some time, and when it's getting to this color, it is ready. You don't need anything again, just serve it with the beans and it is ready. And that is it for today. Until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you guys.